y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. Today I'm working with Gorgius Hair again. The hair I am installing is a 12-inch T-part water wave wig, and let's not forget HD lace. The wig has great construction, comes with 4 combs and an elastic band already inside. Now this is a perfect glueless wig. So I'm going to be using Got To Be spray for this install. And oh yeah, this is my cap, a little busted, but it's doing what it's supposed to. So I'm going to start off by putting the wig on my head so that we can get into the styling. And when I first put it on, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't feeling it at first, but I just had to trust the process. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple sprays along the hairline of the wig, and I only did this one time, and afterwards I just used the blow dryer probably literally for only 1 minute. Afterwards I used an elastic band to lay the wig down, and now I'm gonna go into laying it down. I'm using this wax stick, I don't know what it's called, I've had it for like 2 years now, and then I'm going to go through it with a hot comb, because you know the hot comb is what lays the wig down. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and take the band off. As you can see, I don't want to say it, but I feel like it's giving scalp. So I'm just going to go and comb out whatever little crunchiness or whatever is left from spraying the spray, but the hair should not be hard, like it should still be soft afterwards. So then I see like I plucked a little bit too much, so I went in with this spray can. I believe it's the L'Oreal brand. If not, it's going to be linked down in the description box, and I just did that to like darken up and straighten up that line a bit. So then now I'm gonna get into cutting the lace. I just used the scissors to go down the center, but I'm going to actually be using a razor to cut the lace off. Once I finish cutting all the lace off, I'm gonna go again with the Got To Be spray and just lay it back down with that elastic band. And now we're officially going to get into the styling. You gotta understand, like, it's steps and levels to this. Once I finished with the hot comb, the choice of styling I went with was beach waves. And you guys are gonna see me in the clips go in the same direction, but instead in the front pieces I curled away from my face, but then along the rest of my head, like I'll do away and then I'll do towards. Like I was just switching up the positions of the iron to give like that little alternating effect, so it doesn't just look so flat. Like you guys seen what it looked like already, and I didn't record it, so just enjoy this. So once I finished curling my whole head, I went on ahead and took the elastic band off, combed out the front pieces again, and then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb and brush it out. As you guys can see, like I stated, this is why I did alternating pieces with the flat iron, because if you go in the same direction, it's not going to have any body, and that's what it was missing. So I went ahead off camera and just did the alternating pieces of the beach waves to give it a little bit more body. So once I finished hot combing again, I was just analyzing the hair, but something was missing, like it wasn't giving. So one thing is, don't be afraid to use the scissors. I definitely went in, used the scissors, and chopped a little bit of the hair just to customize it a little bit and give it some form. So before I had went and recurled my hair, I was just doing a little bit of the final touches and just analyzing and seeing what I can do to make it better. So I went on ahead and added some powdered foundation along the hairline, just to make it look more natural and just blended into my skin. And I also went back in with the spray to fix a little bit closer to the hairline to make that line a little bit more crisp. Once I laid the wig down and styled it and customized it to my liking, these were my results. As you guys can see, the change of the direction of the beach waves definitely gives the hair more body. The hair is beautiful, so thank you to Gorgius Hair for sending me this hair. Again, this is the 12-inch T-part wig. Link is going to be down in the description box with a discount code. Make sure you guys go and check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.